So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will be showing you that how you can get always desktop site on your default Chrome browser without root. Okay, so basically just go on Play Store and open your default Chrome browser. In my case, I am opening it from Play Store. You can open it from your launcher. um, just let me open it, and after opening it, let me just first show you that Chrome never opens any new tab in desktop site, okay, by default. So as you can see, I'm just going on YouTube, and YouTube is in, like, you can say, Android style, okay, and I have to just force it to desktop site by clicking on this menu button, and I don't want to do that. So I will be showing you that how you can get this by permanently, I mean by default, okay. So you have to just go on the URL, basically, you can say, and you have to just type chrome dot slash slash flags, okay. You have to just type this on your search bar and then hit the enter, okay. After hitting enter, you will be redirected to this page, which you can see right now. And after going on this page, you have to just search in the search bar, search for a desktop word, okay. Just type desktop word and you will be see various options, but we have to just focus on one first option, which is request desktop site for tablets on Android, and you have to just enable it, okay. In my case, I'm enabling it for 100 dp plus, because this is my tablet, and you can also check your by default DPI of your Android on in settings. Just go on settings and search for DPI. You can just type smallest width. In my case, it is smallest width, and I will be showing you that where you can find this option, basically, okay. So let me just go on system and then developer option, and then just scroll down, and you will find the option named DPI, basically, or you can say smallest width, as I have already told you, okay. So in my case, my smallest width is 752, so yeah, it is above 100, so Chrome will automatically open in desktop site on my device, okay. You can also enable it, but in my case, I'm just enabling it for 100 dp plus screen, okay. In case I just decrease my DPI from 100, the Chrome will automatically switch to Android site, like it is right now, okay. So I'm also enabling the second option, which is show mobile site option in app menu. um, Basically, it is for my preference. It is you are not going to need this, but yeah, I'm just enabling it for my, as you can see, for my customization. After doing this all, you have to just click on relaunch, and your Chrome browser will relaunch, okay. And now you can see that Chrome is literally updated. I mean, yeah, now all the sites will be by default in the desktop mode. Let me just open a new tab and close the previous all tabs. So I'm opening a YouTube right now, and let me just show you that you can see it is showing request mobile site, which means the tab is already in desktop mode, okay, by default. So yeah, as you can see, YouTube is already opening in the desktop style now. So let me just create my new tab and close all previous tabs again, and now let me just open a YouTube, okay, which means fresh YouTube right now. So yeah, as you can see, by default YouTube is opening in the desktop style, okay. I'm not just enabling it this option from the menu button again and again, okay. And now I have to do that this thing if I want to go on mobile site, okay. Like if I want that this site should be loaded on in mobile style, then I have to just go on menu button and click on request mobile site, okay. So I will be just opening new tabs, and let me just search for my user agent, and let me just show you that what is my the default user agent right now. So as you can see, this is my default user agent. Basically, my user agent is Linux x86 64. So as you can see, my user agent is changed now, okay, from Android to Linux. So yeah, and let me just open the YouTube Studio to show you that YouTube Studio will also work, because generally nowadays I think YouTube Studio don't work on Android Chrome browsers, right? Instead of YouTube Studio, we see the option like Creator Studio, which never opens the YouTube Studio. So let me just open the YouTube Studio right now to just show you that yeah, actually this is a desktop mode on your default Chrome browser. Okay, I'm not installing any another version of Chrome. This is the latest update version of the Chrome, and I'm getting always desktop site on this my Chrome browser. Okay, so yeah, there is no any third party need or anything else. So let me just open the YouTube Studios. As you can see, studio.youtube.com site is being loaded, and just wait it for being load. And after load, as you can see, YouTube Studio is working very fine, I mean perfectly. So yeah, basically you can just work is done. You are getting always desktop site on your browser, on your default Chrome browser on Android. So now you can just do everything which you want to do. Like, let me just open the Flipkart to show you more sites other than YouTube. So yeah, as you can see, Flipkart is also opening in the basically desktop style. So let me just search for a hi to show you that how the Google will react on this my default user agent, I mean desktop site basically. So yeah, let me just search for hi, and as you can see, Google is also reacting like a desktop. Okay, basically because the tab is already in desktop mode now, and by default basically. Okay, so as you can see, so yeah, this was in this video only. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in my next video. Okay, till then, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.